quantitative analysis of organic compounds, estimation of halogens. This estimation of halogens is also called as Carrier's method. Okay, it involves a known amount of the organic substance is heated with fuming nitric acid and silver nitrate. With fuming nitric acid, okay, and silver nitrate, AgNO3. Okay. Now, AgX the halogens gets converted into AgX, and AgX is precipitated, which we are separated and weighed, from which we can calculate the percentage composition of different halogens. Okay, different halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, etc. can be calculated. Okay. At the same time, the carbon and hydrogen present will get converted into carbon dioxide and water. This is the principle. Now, let us explain the apparatus. Apparatus consists of a hard glass tube called as Carrier's tube or bomb tube. Okay. Carrier's tube or bomb tube, in which we are taking fuming nitric acid and silver nitrate. Okay, fuming nitric acid and silver nitrate are taken in the Carrier's tube. Okay, now we are taking the organic compound, the weighed amount of the organic compound, is taken in a tube, in a narrow tube, okay, in a narrow tube, which is slipped into the Carrier's tube. Okay. Next step is heated the Carrier's tube in a furnace. Before that, we have to seal the mouth of the Carrier's tube. Next, we are heating it. Okay, heated in a furnace at about 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, now it is cooled. At that time, halogens gets converted into silver halide. Okay, during this process, due to the pressure, high pressure is developed inside the tube, and the seal will blown open and the gases will escape, and silver halide AgX is precipitated or produced, which is separated and weighed. Okay, separated and weighed. Okay, now let us do the calculations. Okay, let the mass of the organic substance equal W gram. Okay, and the weight of AgX produced, will be equal to m gram. Okay. Now, 1 mole of AgX contain 1 mole of X. Okay, 1 mole of AgX. This AgX varies depending upon the halogens. It will be AgI, AgCl, etc. So, 1 mole of AgX contains 1 mole of X. Okay. From this, we can calculate the mass of halogens. Okay, mass of halogens will be equal to mass of halogens will be equal to atomic weight of X, okay, atomic weight of halogens, okay, by molecular weight of AgX, okay, weight of AgX, okay. Mass of halogens, like this we can calculate into the mass of the weight of the AgX produced. It is M. Okay. Now, next the percentage composition. The percentage composition will be equal to this value into 100 by weight of the organic substance taken. Okay. Percentage composition of halogens. equal atomic weight of this value into 100 by W. W is the mass of the organic substance taken. Okay. Like this we can calculate. So by using this formula we can calculate, we can do the problems for the estimation of halogens.